Since Google Sheets is used to help you organize a lot of different data, they've made it really easy to format some of your numbers. So some of the common numbers that people use Google Sheets for would be money and percentages. So if we wanted to convert to money, all we have to do is type the amount in the cell, and then we can go over to the dollar sign right here, click on that, and it'll automatically convert it to money. If you wanted to convert it to a percent, you would type the number again. Right next to the dollar sign is a percent. You would click on that and it would automatically convert it to a percent. Okay, if you wanted to increase or decrease the decimal points that are showing, these both default to 2 decimal points. You can see after the decimal, the 2 zeros. You can add more by clicking on this with the arrow headed towards the right. You can decrease it to fewer by clicking on this 0 next to it with the arrow heading towards the left. And you can do that for any of your numbers. As it starts doing math for you, sometimes it'll round or try to guess the number of decimal points that you want in there, so you can set it up to do it automatically for yourself.